This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Kelly Hustetti. Bring your imagination to bring this home back to life, or tear down and build your dream home. This property flooded during Hurricane Helene 2024 and has been partially gutted. Situated in a highly desirable area of Gulfport. Situated in the heart of all things Gulfport, this home is within walking distance to downtown Gulfport/Arts District to enjoy the beach, pier, restaurants, boutiques, galleries, Veterans Park, library and all the events Gulfport offers, Tuesday Farmers Market, First Friday Art Walk, Geckofest and Casino Dances. There's always something happening in this funky town. No chain stores or parking meters, just Old Town Florida charm located minutes from downtown Street. Pete and the award-winning beach.